what's up, window cleaners? Louis here with Superb Window Cleaning. Hey, I just wanted to let you know my go-to soap for residential window cleaning when I do the exterior windows. Glass Clean 4. Highly recommend this soap. I mean, it makes an impeccable shine. It makes the windows look like mirrors, and it has some kind of something in the soap that keeps the dust. It repels the dust, like the dust doesn't cling real quick to the glass, and I really like that. And also the customers like that. I get many repeat customers because of this soap here. I call it the liquid gold. All right, I just wanted you to know about it. And also I want to talk to you about the German squeegee handle from Sorbo. It's really cool. What's up? It's up or something like that. Yeah, if I ruined that, my German friends over there, what's it's los? What's it's los? All right, that means what's up in German. I hope I said that right and didn't butcher it up or anything like that. But check out the squeegee from Sorbo, the handle. It's German handle. Go out and get one. Okay, take care.
Hi, this is John and Patty. We want to recommend Superb Window Cleaners for many reasons. First of all, we've had many companies come in and try to clean our windows and they never got them clean until Louis showed up and did a great job, got it beautifully done. They're always on time, they're always reasonable, and we love having them in our home.
We were so happy to get the recommendation just last year, and ever since we got the recommendation, we've been telling all our neighbors about it. We thought we had to replace our windows because they looked like they were dirty on the inside, but he came in and did his magic, and now they're perfect. We thank you so much. We love your company.